Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the strafe tilt setting in Mouse PI for Hire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you are in the gameplay tab and scroll down to the motion sensitivity portion of the gameplay tab. Here you can change the strafe tilt. By the default it is set to 10. This gauge goes from 0 to 100, so simply select the value that you like. I'll stick with 10. Once that's done, remember to press apply. Next, you can close the menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment and like.